These are high-quality trampolines. Stainless steel coils, a 360-degree safety net, 8-foot bounce. Well, listen, Stanislav, if you don't want them, I can find another buyer. In fact, ooh, that's them calling now. I am strategically making the customer sweat. Hey, I thought you were having a sleepover. Why aren't you upstairs with your friends?
Well, Libby and Andrea are so buddy-buddy because they're grown-ups and I'm a kid who doesn't know period stuff or werewolf books or Belgian silk PJs. How do things change so much in a day? Libby's even outgrown Puppy Prom! Puppy Prom, Daryl! If she can outgrow that, am I next?
Look, you don't want to get cut out of this deal. This could be a three-way pact.
You're right. If I want to hang with the big kids, I gotta act like a big kid. I mean a grown-up. Ow! Thanks for the advice, Daryl. Ow!
You can only pay me in pogo sticks. I can make that work.